Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create shop page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So make sure first that you are in the WordPress panel. And after that, all you need to do is to start adding your themes that would go with your WooCommerce. So simply when you add WooCommerce, you will already have a visit store function that would allow you to start visiting your store. So basically, it depends on what uh, Elementor or what editor that you are using within your theme. You can just go to appearance and then you will need just to click on customize. And basically by clicking on customize, you will need just to go to the page that you would like, or you can start creating your page, depends on the uh, plugin. In my case, I'm using Astra, and this is preferable to use themes or other builder that would allow you to create elements or to create themes that would be functional within WooCommerce criteria, like having products to have the attributes of the products, etc. So you can simply go to appearance, then go ahead to themes, and after that, all you need to do is to click on add new theme, and you can simply search for WooCommerce for easy searching. And all you need to do is to start scrolling and choose the store that you would like or the website that you would like, and basically you it will create all the elements that you need within your store. It will create the shop page, it will create the website, the products page, and the cart page, etc, etc. So after that, you will need just to click on install and activate, and you will have your store that will be ready. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.